And the race is on. Bahala na. Fast to begin, Kampay, London Dry. Dynamic Love, down on the inside is Dancing Tight, Louis Star. And on the outside is Yes Joey. In the middle, Treasured Act, Go Vinny. May Bukas pa and Efira is running at the tail of the field. Bahala na. From the outside, London Dry. Down on the inside, Dancing Tight. Dynamic Love alongside is Kampay and Louis Star. And during the far turn, Bahala na. By a length and a half on the outside is London Dry. Dancing Tight down on the inside, Kampay, Louis Star. As they race the final corner, Bahala na. By some 2 lengths, followed by London Dry in second. Kampay racing on the outside is Louis Star. And nearing the finish line, Bahala na still leading the pack with tight reins. And this one is FM Raquel Jr. And nearing the finish line, Bahala na, Kampay. And finally, Bahala na, Kampay. London Dry, Dynamic Love, Louis Star. For your Pentafecta, then comes Dancing Tight, Yes Joey, Treasured Act, My Book.